In this video, I will explain how to perform deletion operation in red-black tree. Red-black tree is a self-balancing binary search tree with an extra bit for storing the color of the node. That color may be red or black. This color of the node helps to self-balance in the tree while performing insertion and deletion operation in that tree. So this red-black tree has some properties. The first property is all the nodes are either red or black. That means nodes may be red color or black in color. Then root is always black in color. Then third property is leaf node or nil nodes are always black nodes. Consider this example. In this example, I show the nil nodes. These nil nodes are black nodes. So leaf nodes are the nil nodes. Here 5, 30, 45, 60 and 70 are the internal nodes and they are not the nil nodes. Then fourth property is if a node is red, then its children are black. That means it should not allow two consecutive red nodes. That means a node is red node, then its children should be black node. The last property is for each node, all the paths from the node to descendant leaf contain the same number of black nodes. That means consider a node 50 and consider all the paths from 50 to descendant leaves. In this figure, there are 4 paths from 50 to descendant leaves. These 4 paths contain same number of black nodes. That means 50 to this nil node, only one black node, and 50 to this nil node, second path, 50 to this nil node, that is only one black node, that is 45. Then in the third path also only one black node, and in the fourth path also only one black node. That is the fifth property. You consider any node, it has the same property. That means consider the node root node. Root node is 25. From 25, we have number of paths from 25 to leaf node. So in all the paths, it contains same number of black nodes. That means 25 to this leaf node contain only one black node. Then 25 to second nil node also one black node. Like that, for the last path also it contains only one black node. That is the last property of the red-black tree. Next we can see how to perform deletion in red-black tree. The first step is perform normal binary search tree deletion. So consider this binary search tree. There are 3 cases. First case is node to be deleted is a leaf node. Consider the node 15. Suppose we want to delete 15. First you have to find out the node 15. We traverse from the root node. 15 is less than 30, so go to the left subtree. 15 is less than 20, so go to the left subtree. So here is the 15 node. So it is the leaf node. So we simply delete 15 from this tree. So we delete simply 15 from binary search tree. So we get, so after deleting 15, we get a tree like this. Second case is node to be deleted has only one child. That child may be left child or right child. Consider this example. In this we have to delete 20. So 20 has only one child, it is left child 15. So you should remember that while performing deletion operation in binary search tree as well as in red-black tree, we do not delete the internal node. We always replace the internal node by another node. And finally we delete the leaf node. So in this case 20 is an internal node. So we replace 20 by its child. So it has only one child. So 20 is replaced by 15. So next we find out the next 15 and delete operation is performed on the leaf node 15. That means delete of 15. So it is a leaf node, simply delete that leaf node. So actually 20 is replaced by 15 after deleting 20. So this is the binary search tree after deleting the node 20 from this tree. Next case is, suppose we want to delete a node which has 2 children. So in this case, we replace that node by in-order successor or the in-order predecessor. For example, suppose we want to delete 30. So To delete 30, we replace 30 by the in-order successor or the in-order predecessor. How can we find out in-order successor or the in-order predecessor? So consider the subtree of the node to be deleted. So here 30 is the node to be deleted. The left subtree of that node to be deleted is this one. So the largest element in the left subtree is the in-order predecessor. So replace 30 by largest element in the largest element in the left subtree of the node to be deleted. So here 20 is the largest element. So 30 is replaced by 20. Next this child has only, this node has only one child. So replace this 20 by 15. So we get, so after deleting 30, we get a tree like this. Here 30 is replaced by the in-order predecessor 20. Then 20 is replaced by its child 15. So 20 here and 50 here, and for remaining are same. The node to be deleted is replaced by in-order successor. In that case, we go to the right subtree of the node to be deleted. So find out the minimum element in the right subtree. So here 35 is the minimum element. So replace 30 by 35. That is the second case. Binary search tree, finally we delete a leaf node. So in the case of red black tree, that leaf node may be red or black. So that is the second step. Second step is node to be deleted is red. If the node to be deleted is red, we just delete it because it does not affect the number of black children in the particular path of the red black tree. Consider this example. In this example, we have to delete 20. Sorry, we have to delete 50. So 50 is a leaf node and it is a red node. So we can simply delete 50 from the red black tree. So after deletion, we get red black tree like this. Next we have to delete 30. So to delete 30 from here, 30 has one child. So we replace 30 by 50. In this case, we do not change the color of the nodes. We just replace 30 by 50. So we have two nodes with 50. Then next 50, leaf node 50 should be deleted. And it is a red node, you can simply delete that one. Delete 30. So we get a tree like this. Here 30 is replaced by 50. So color, we does not change the color. The color of 30 is black. When we replace 30 by 50, then that node become black itself. So we have to delete red node. You simply delete the red node. Consider another example. Here we have to delete 40. So 40 is a black node. So 40 is replaced by, here I will replace it with in-order predecessor. So to find out in-order predecessor, I will go to the left subtree of the red black tree. This is the left subtree. Then take the maximum element from the left subtree. Here the maximum element is 35. Then 40 is replaced by 35. So this is the tree after deletion. So here 40 is replaced by 35. Then we have to delete 35. 35 is a red node, so you can simply delete 35 from the red black tree. Consider another example. In this example, I want to delete 35. So here also I will take the in-order predecessor. So this is the left subtree. The in-order predecessor of this node 35 is the largest element from the left subtree, that is 30. So we replace 35 by 30. Then again call delete operation, recursively call this delete operation for the node 30. So node 30 has one child. So 30 is replaced by its child. So 30 is replaced by 50. Again we call delete operation for the node 15. 15 is a red node. So you can simply delete that 15 from the red black tree. So after deletion we get, So this is the tree after deletion. 35 is replaced by 30. Then node 30 is replaced by its child 15. Next we have to delete 15. It is a red node. We simply delete that node. So in all these cases, here finally we delete a red node. So it does not affect the number of black nodes from a particular path. So you can simply delete that node. So here also 50 is deleted. In this example, we want to delete 30, but it is replaced by 50. So finally we have to delete 50 itself. Leaf node 50. In this example also, delete 40. 40 is replaced by 35, and finally 35 is a red node. Here also our aim is to delete 35. 35 is replaced by 30. Then 30 is replaced by 15. Finally we delete the red node 15. So this is the simplest case. Node to be deleted is red node, and just delete it. Second case is node to be deleted is black. Consider this example. 40 is the root node, 30 is the left child, and 50 is the right child. Our aim is to delete 50. So actually this node 50 has a nil node. When you delete 50, it is replaced by the nil node. So here 50 is black and nil node is also black. So when you replace 50 by nil node, this becomes double black. That means, so after deletion, tree is like this. 50 is replaced by nil node and it is a double black. This is an issue. We have to resolve this issue. So that is the case 2. Node to be deleted is black node. So case 2a is root is double black. If root is double black, remove that double black. That means if the root node is double black like this, you can simply delete one black from the root node and it is a single black. Case 2b is if DB's sibling S is black and both its children are black. So what do you mean by sibling? So consider the node 10, its sibling is 45. Consider node 20, its sibling is 5. Consider node 60, its sibling is, it is a leaf node. Here it is not shown that node, it is a leaf node and it is nil. So suppose in this example, our aim is to delete 5. So 5 is this node. So to delete 5, it is a black node. We replace 5 by its nil node. So here we have the nil node. So 5 is replaced by nil node. 5 is replaced by the nil node. So when 5 is replaced by nil node, both are black. This nil node becomes, replaced nil node becomes double black. So that is an issue. We have to resolve that issue. So this is the tree after deleting 5. 5 is replaced by nil node and it becomes double black. Now we have to check the sibling. The sibling of this nil node is 20. So this is double black and this is the sibling S. Its children are nil nodes. They are also black. So here we have the condition. Double black sibling S is black and both its children are black. So in this case, what we have done is, first step is delete one black from both double black and its sibling. So when you delete one black from nil node, it becomes single black. When you delete one black from sibling, black node, it becomes red. Then we add black to the parent. When you add black to red, it becomes black. Suppose this parent may be black also. So if this parent is black one and the parent become double black. So first we have see this condition. So these are the steps. Delete one black from double black. Here nil is the double black and S. So when you delete one black from this one, this becomes single black. And when you delete black from this node, it becomes red node. Then add black to the parent. Here parent is a red node. So there are two conditions. Parent may be red or black. So this is the tree after resolving the issue. So we delete one black from nil node. So it becomes single black. Then delete black from sibling. It becomes red. Add black to the parent. red parent, so it becomes black. So this is a red black tree. So check all the black nodes from root node to nil node. So in this path one black node, in this path one black node, in this path also one black node. So it resolved the issue. So here we does not show this nil node. Okay, so here it is only one black node. Consider this example. Delete 10 from this example. So 10 is here. When you delete 10, it is replaced with the nil node. So when you replace 10 by nil node, it becomes double black. Then we check its sibling. Sibling S is black, both its children are black. So after deleting 10, the tree becomes like this. So here 10 is replaced by nil node and it becomes double black. So we have to resolve the issue. To resolve the issue, we delete one black from nil node and one black from 35. So 35 becomes red and here it is single black. Here parent is black node. That is the second case. Parent is black node. When we add black to the parent, it becomes double black. That means we recur the problem to the parent node. So the tree becomes. So after resolving the issue, the tree is like this. So here parent becomes double black. Now again double black problem is there. So we have to check its sibling. Its sibling is black and both its children are black. Again we remove one black from 30 and remove one black from 60. So 60 becomes red and 30 becomes single black, and add black to the parent. When you add black to the parent, this becomes double black. Again recurring the problem. So after resolving the issue, tree is like this. Remove one black from 30, it becomes single black. Remove one black from 60, it becomes red node. Then add black to 50, it becomes double black. So here root is double black. So when the root is double black, simply convert it into single black. So this is the tree after deleting one black from 50. So 50 becomes single black. So consider the number of black nodes in all the paths from root to leaf node. So in this path one black node, here also one black node. In this path also one black node, here also one black node. So it is a red black tree. We resolve the issue. Consider the case 2C. Here, if double black sibling S is black and one of its near child is red and the other one is black. Consider this example. Here we want to delete 20. So when you delete 20, it is replaced by the nil node. Nil node is black node. So the replaced nil node become double black because 20 is also black. So after deleting 20, we get a tree like this. Here 20 is replaced by nil node and it is double black. Now this is the double black node and its sibling S is black and its one of the child is red and the other is black, and this red child is near to double black node. So that is the case 2C. Double black sibling S is black and one of its near child is red. Near child means it is near to double black node and the other one is black. So in this case what we have done is exchange the color of S and its red child. So this is the S node and this one is its red child. So we exchange these two colors. So after recoloring, red child becomes black and S node becomes red. Here the S node becomes red and its red child becomes black and it is a left child. Now perform rotation. So rotation is performed in right direction, that is next perform rotation with respect to S in opposite direction of DB node. So S is the pivot point and perform right rotation. That is right rotation is opposite to the double black node. To perform rotation, we pull from this side. So 32 goes up and 35 goes down. So tree is like this. And this tree is not a red black tree because in this path no black child. Here one black child. This path also one black child, and here also one black child. So this is not a red black tree. So it goes to actually the case 2D. Next mirror image of this case, that is this one. Here we want to delete 80. When we delete 80, it is replaced by the nil node, and 80 is a black node and leaf node is a black node. So after replacement, nil node becomes double black. So we can draw the diagram. Here 80 is replaced by nil node and it is double black. Now check the condition. This is the double black node and its sibling S is 53 and its right child is red child, and this red child is near to double black node. So actually this is the mirror image of the previous one. In the previous case, the sibling is right child and its red child is left child. So this is actually RL case, and here sibling is left child and its red child is right child. So it is LR case. So here also we do the same thing, recolor, exchange the colors of sibling and its red child. So sibling becomes red and red child becomes black. Then perform rotation. After recoloring trees like this, S becomes red and right child becomes black. Then perform rotation. Here rotation is in left direction because left direction is opposite to the double black node. In the previous case, we perform right rotation because in this case right rotation is opposite to the double black node. After rotation, our tree is like this. That means pull from here. So 65 moves up and 53 goes down. So this is not a red black tree because consider this path. Here one black node, in this path also one black node, here also one black node, but the last path no black node. This is a nil node, we did not consider this one. So here there is no black node. So this is not a red black tree. So this goes to the case 2D. Next case 2D. In case 2D, if DB's sibling S is black and one of its far child is red, or both its children are red. Consider these two examples. These two examples are from the previous case 2C, because after performing case 2C, we did not resolve the double black issue, and it goes to case 2D. So here DB node is, in the first example, DB node is the nil node and its sibling S is 32 and its right child is red node. So here DB's sibling S is black and its far child is red. So here far child means with respect to DB, this right node is far child and left child is near child. So left child is black node and far child is right child is red node. So it is the case 2D, and what we have done is swap the color of parent of DB and S. So here parent of DB is 30 and it is red. It is changed as black, and sibling is, change the color of sibling as red. Then perform rotation with respect to parent of DB in the same direction of DB. So first we have to perform recolor. So after recoloring, our tree is like this. 30 is black and its child, that is the sibling node, becomes red node. Then perform rotation. So rotation is with respect to pivot point. Rotation is with respect to parent. Then direction of rotation is same as that of the direction of, in the direction of double black node. So here rotation is left rotation. So when we pull from this side, 32 moves up and 30 moves down. So after rotation, our tree is like this. Here we pull from here. So 32 moves up and 30 moves down, and 35 becomes the right child of 32. And also perform recolor. That means this red child becomes black and we remove one black from nil node. So this tree is a red black tree, consider this path. Here only one black node, in this one black node, here also one black node. So this is a red black tree and we resolve the double black issue. Then take the second case. This example, here DB is this node and S is node 65. And here far child is 53 and it is red node. So we have the same case. DB sibling S is black and one of its far child is red. Far child is red. So first we recolor. So after recoloring, tree is like this. 70 is recolored as black and 65 is recolored as red. Then perform rotation. So here rotation is on right direction. That is the same direction of double black node. So actually this one is the mirror image of this one. So here rotation is left side, here rotation is right side. Here sibling and its child is right side. Both sibling and the right node is right side. That is RR case. Here both sibling and its left child. So on left side, so it is LL case. So next perform rotation. So rotation, here pull from this side, 65 moves up, 70 moves down, then 53 is the left child of 65. Then we recolor this 53 as black and remove one black from nil node. And this is a red black tree. In this path one black node, here also one black node, here also one black node and here also one black node. So we resolve the issue. Next example, consider this one. Here delete 80. So after deleting node 80, our tree is like this. That means 80 is replaced by the nil node and it is double black. So this is the double black node. Its sibling S is 53 and both its children are red. So that is the condition. Double black sibling S is black and both its children are red. In this case also we first recolor the sibling and its parent. So after recoloring, the tree is like this. 70 is colored as black and 53 is colored as red. Next perform rotation. Rotation is in the direction of next perform rotation. Rotation is in the direction of nil node with respect to parent. So to rotate this, we pull from this side. 53 goes up and 70 goes down. And this 55 becomes left child of 70 and 52 becomes left child of 53. But here 53 is recolored as black and remove one black from nil node. So recoloring is performed with the rotation in these three cases. Here also rotation and recoloring. Here also rotation and recoloring. So that is the case 2D. So in case 2D, we swap the color of parent of DB and S, then perform rotation with respect to the parent of DB in the same direction of double black node. After rotation, remove one black from the double black node, so it will become the single black. Then red child, color the red child as red child of S as black. That's all about the case 2D. Next case 2E. Case 2E is DB sibling S is red. In all the above cases, DB's sibling S is black. Here we consider DB's sibling S is red. So consider this example. Here we want to delete 32. When we delete 32, it is replaced by the nil node and it becomes black, double black, because 32 is a black node. After deleting, the tree is like this. 32 is replaced by nil node and it is double black. So this is the DB node. Its sibling S is red. So this is our condition, case 2E. So what we have done is exchange the color of parent of DB and its sibling. These two colors are exchanged. Then perform rotation. After recoloring, tree is like this. 20 and parent of DB and S is, the color of parent of DB and S is exchanged. So parent of DB becomes red and sibling becomes black. Then perform rotation. Rotation with respect to parent. And the direction of rotation is same direction of DB node. So here it is right direction. So after rotation it becomes, so to perform rotation we pull from here, 11 goes up, 20 goes down, and left child of 11 is 10, it is as it is, but right child of 12 becomes the left child of 20, and right child of 20 is double black node. Now it goes to any other cases. So in this case, nil node is double black, its sibling S is black and both its, this is double black, sibling S is black and both its children are black. In this case, we remove one black from both S and DB. So here it becomes red and this becomes single black. Then change the color of, add black to the parent. So parent become black. So that means this goes to case 2b. That is, this is the double black node, its sibling S is black and both its children are black. So we remove, in case 2b, we remove one black from DB and S. So DB and S. So here DB becomes single black and S becomes red. Then add black to the parent. So here parent is red, so it becomes black. Now it is a red black tree. Here there are 3 black nodes. This path also 3 black nodes. Here also 3 black nodes. Here also 3 black nodes. So we resolve the issue. So in case 2e, if DB sibling S is red, we swap the color of parent of DB and sibling S. Then perform rotation with respect to the parent in the direction of DB. Then reapply the cases. That means it may goes to other cases. Now I will show a quick summary of the different steps in red black tree deletion. Kindly go through it. Thank you for watching the video. If there are any suggestions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Okay then, bye.